Okay, boy, we're trying to do on the road. That was not a scare, Mom.
That was walks like a chicken, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He must be related
Of what?
to the chicken family.
Where's that book going? I don't think you want to be on camera, do you?
No.
Why?
Why are you videoing the bird anyway?
I don't know. I don't know. Do what the boys don't do.
What if the bird gets hit by a car?
I can cut videos out. The camera.
Why?
Press the up one. 2.5.
No.
So is Dad behind us now?
Alright, you know the name of the song?
You're my better half?
Oh, wow, well, that's pretty cool. Congratulations.
That's all right. Thank you.
Who is this?
This is Valerie.
What you up to today, girl?
Just headed home from work.
And this call, okay?
Well, you want some great prizes.
Hold on,
You need a pair of tickets for Saturday's Randy Hauser concert at Urban Cowboy in Ocala, and also meet and greet passes along with that.
Cool. Awesome.
And a pair of tickets to any race this season at Volusia Speedway Park in Barberville. And we're also going to give you a pair of tickets to Captain Bob's Airboat Tours at the Withlacoochee River, and that departs from Denellen.
Oh, sweet. All right. Thank you so much.
And you're welcome, and we'll do it again for you tomorrow afternoon at 3:30. Watson Big Red Sand is 93.7 K Country, and it's a fantastic song for
Let's go ahead and do that anyways.
Man, I want
Yes.
Come down here on my knees.
I thought you were going to stop that, Rob.
Begging for another chance.